So,
Yes.
how we are going to start means you will come to my shop, knock, knock. I'll come. Okay, I'll open the gate and we are going to talk. Okay,
Okay.
easy?
Yes.
Fine. Three, two, one. Lights, camera, action.
So, hello. I'm here
Hello.
because the camera of my mobile phone doesn't work anymore, and I want to get the camera.
Oh, so the your mobile's camera is not working, right?
Yes.
Okay. Did your phone fall down?
Um. No,
No.
I don't know why, but
So
it's yeah.
when did it happen?
Um. Um. Yesterday.
Oh, yesterday. And before yesterday, it was working fine, right?
Yes.
Did you give your phone to somebody?
No.
Oh, no problem. Fine. Uh, so your phone camera is not working, right? Any other thing?
No, just the camera.
Okay, let me see. Let me see. Give me a phone. Okay. So this is not working, right? This camera is not working.
Yes.
Just wait. Actually, I wanted to check. Oh, I think there is some problem in the camera. So this will cost you only and only $20.
Okay. Perfect.
$20. Is there any other problem?
No.
So your phone camera is not working, right? This is something.
Yes.
When did you buy this phone? Did you buy this phone from our shop?
Yes.
Really? Oh, no problem. It happens. It happens. Okay, it happens. No problem. That's okay. 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 How long? How much time? Okay, has it been to buy this phone? How much time has it been?
Um. Last year.
Sorry,
Last year.
last year. So is 1 year completed?
Yes.
That's okay because the warranty was 1 year, right? The warranty was 1 year. Okay, no problem. Okay, only $20, and you need to give your phone for a day. Is it okay?
Is it is okay. Yes.
So you need to take your SIM, the chip out, all the chips out, all the important things out, and you need to give us phone, and we will fix it in a day.
Perfect.
Please take all the things out. Not camera, okay?
Okay.
Give me the phone back now. Okay, fine. So I'll give you this tomorrow. Please come with $20, okay?
Okay.
Perfect. Thank you. Next day.
Thank you.
Now, come again.
Okay. Hello. I'm here because my mobile get repaired.
Yes, yes, for sure. Your mobile has been repaired completely, okay? So mobile has been repaired. Uh, Now you can check it once. If it is working, very good. And let me know, okay?
Okay.
Check it.
Perfect. Oh, it's really good. Thank
Really
you.
good? Perfect. So how
Yes.
would you like to pay? Would you like to pay by credit card or cash?
Cash.
Cash? Give me the money, please. Thank you. Yeah. Fine. Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming to our shop. Okay, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye.